if you follow my Instagram or my fruit book, Facebook, then you saw where I put up two new posts for a new gate for my dad. It's just a 10-foot gate. Not like the aluminum 10, but like the number 10. And then I forgot my level. I didn't forget it. I took it out of my toolbox and I never put it back. And then, I'll show you that in a minute. I don't know if that's going to be any count or not. But anyway. Then, I loaded an app on my phone that was supposed to be a level. That is nowhere near level at all. And I'm really not happy about it. I know it really doesn't make that big a difference in a field where you have cows. But my goodness, that's terrible. I saw it before we even got out here. That's 10 foot wide. There's a little chill in the air. I'm just gonna take out a couple of these little trees, and then when I get the wire strapped up to the fence and hang the gate, I'm gonna cut that wire, pull that post, and it won't be done. I'm gonna put extra braces on each side, but I concreted them in so they're strong enough to hold one little 10-foot gate. This thing is not heavy, so that's my plan. We'll just have to wait and see how it all works out. But I need to sharpen my axe, but I left my sharpener with the tree surgeon. These are our briars and junk. I just plan on running over these. But I did this last night in the dark. And the post may not even be ready because it got so cold last night. That's all blowing right in my face. That's so cool. Look at that. That's straight. Hold on. That's where it is. And then I'll turn you sideways. This is straight up and down. The post is not. The cows think I'm bringing them a treat. They are mistaken. I wanted to surprise my dad, so he won't have to drive through the mud hole anymore. Now we'll still have to go through the mud hole to get into, to bring the hay in, but that's not a big deal with a tractor. Anyway, I'm done talking about it. I'm gonna do it. I left the gate laying down here in the grass last night, trying to get it out. People love to steal everything now. So now I gotta put it back on the other side of the fence. Let's go. Let's go around. You ready? It's a little chill in the air. You know, my slave cylinder needs to be replaced on this truck. Rumor has it it's leaking, even though it never leaks any clutch fluid or anything anywhere. The little dew flatty is never low. Well, all of a sudden it started feeling nice and tight on the way over here again. It's not as bad as it was last year yet, although it's getting there. close it up. Let's go. So now let's go hang the gate. It's not quite as obvious from this side. Yeah, that post isn't gonna move. It's good. I put 50 pounds in each hole and concreted it. It's done. You want to see if it works? I think I had that on fast forward. If I didn't, that probably got pretty boring. I think my nose is running. Did my hair get messed up? It works. I forgot to kick the rest of the dirt in the hole, so I gotta go back through for that. I know this ain't really exciting. It is to me. I don't know about y'all, but even no matter how old I get, I still want to please my dad. And I don't, if he doesn't want the post that far to the right 4 inches, I'll dig it up and move it that way 4 inches. That's how much I want him pleased with me. Not that I'm running around crying, seeking his approval, but I respect him. I gotta get this a little snugger, of course. I might just move that little pin right there and move it. So anyway, he hasn't seen it yet. Like I said, I came in last night late and dug holes and concreted them. The gate's light. These are not tension points for the wire. So if you're gonna leave a comment that says you should have left those loose so you can tension it, they're not gonna be. That's gonna be the corners when that post is replaced and one of those, and the same for those on the other side. This is simply somewhere he can come down with his golf cart, if he can, and put my mother in the golf cart, and they can come down here without slopping through mud and go out there and wave to the cows. That's all it is. So it might be done. I'm just not sure yet. Yeah, I think I am. Yeah, I just made it a little too long, but that's not a big deal. It's still a lot easier snap than we had on the other ones. The other ones have been hanging on there, sheesh, as long as I remember. 30 years maybe, and I'm like 22. Sheesh, thanks for watching my videos. Oh wait, y'all say bye to old Blue. She's doing good. Her slave cylinder's leaking again though. Thanks for watching my videos. You know what I forgot? I've already got this promise to someone. I'm giving it away. This company sent me an email, said, hey, you want to peddle our wares? Dr. Otek Pinpointer MT6 IP68 waterproof, 10mm waterproof. Okay, that's all fine and dandy. How to use. Take it out of the box and turn it on. There's a library. If I can't find this library, oops, I'm gonna be upset. So I'm gonna put the library on its end and shove it down in the hole right there. I know that doesn't look like a big deal, but last night this thing struggled to find the ring that was on my finger. It did find the stove and the refrigerator and their microwave. All you do is turn it on. It's big. It's like carrying around a baseball bat or a club. So if you're in a tight spot, you just do that and you warn somebody, I've got a pinpointer and I'm not afraid to use it. You just turn it on with it on the ground. One thing that's pretty cool about it, it starts off with one color. Let me see how close I am to that penny. Now I'm almost touching it. So red is you're not quite there. See, I'm not too thrilled. But anyway, if you don't have a pinpointer, this is a dang good pinpointer. It's about 30 something or $40 on Amazon. So, okay, here we go. There you are, red. And that's a good 6-8 inches. You get a little closer, she goes green, then blue, then light blue, And then there you are. See, I would think the color should be rearranged. I would think it would be red, and yellow, and then green when you're there. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, that's it. It is pretty cool, and I do appreciate y'all sending it to me, whoever Dr. Otek is. And now I'm going to pack it up, and believe it or not, and it comes with that. I've got about 10 of those that I've never used. I'm going to send it to somebody, believe it or not. Also, it's tough to turn off. See, it's still on. Push and hold the button. Should be off, right? Quick click. That's gonna be a problem in a metal truck. It's off. Okay, you gotta hold it for about 22 minutes and then it will turn off. But like I say, I'm sending it to Audrey in Mobile, who gave me some tips on maps online, which is pretty awesome. I'm gonna send it to her. And I told her she might not like it, but she said she didn't have one, so I'm gonna send it to her in this lovely box. And if she likes it, she can use it. If she doesn't, maybe she'll just pass it on to someone else. Thanks for watching my videos. Does that bother you? That stuff works so good. Only thing is it turns into a fine powder when you sit on it, so you kind of gotta dust the hiney when you get out. Thanks for watching my videos. Yeah, it's me again. I just figured out what I did wrong. I just figured it out at the minute of the last. As I was looking at it, I was pondering my existence, wondering if you would like the video. And then I realized, I looked at the gate and I thought, the chain's on the whole wrong side altogether. It needs to be over here to wrap around here and hold it snuggalicious. And I intentionally did not sink it all the way on purpose. This might take 2 hands. Much better. Simple snap. Unlike the other ones, my dad won't have any struggles with that junk anymore. The other one's a battle. I'd have to leave it pretty loose. You know, that's not right. Anyway, now I'm done with this video. Thanks for watching my video.